got in a car crash. Hey guys, before I begin the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Are you recording?
Yes. Do you need me to release?
No, I got the lines,
Okay.
And 3, and 2, and 1. Ever since I chewed magic gum, all my anxiety has been relieved.
That was like really good. Just like you don't have to make it as exciting.
I know.
Yeah, just say it again.
The whole thing?
No, thank you, Magic Gum.
Oh.
Oh, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, thank you, Magic Gum.
You're really vlogging this? Vlog. I'm actually not even vlogging. 3, 2, 1.
My cat hated me, but now I tried Magic Gum. We've had brunch together every Sunday.
Okay, that's good. Just like a little bit louder.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Waiting for someone to pick me up.
Why don't you have a car, loser?
I don't know. I just don't have one.
You're weird.
Stop! Here, and then I'm gonna reverse out, park like right there. Thank you, Magic Gum. Thank you, Magic Gum.
Well, vlog. I got in a car crash. Just can't do anything right. So my car's totaled, so how are you? I'm just gonna skip school today, even though I had like a lot to do, but I just like 16 is supposed to be responsible and independent. Okay. Hey, I see you. Hey guys, I've calmed down a little bit. Yeah. In my PJs because it's cold. I feel like a deep anxiety all over my body, and I tried to meditate, but it didn't work, and I'm just like, but I can't let that stop me. I'm still going to Pennington today to record the football game, because I promised my friends I would do it, and I don't really want to, but I'm gonna show up, even though I don't have the pass that I need, and so I might get mad at me, but whatever. Because I've already had an awful day, so it can really get worse. I feel real. Why am I so big? I feel really big. Very big. Like, I mean, stop. What are you talking about? I feel really cold. Like, all day I've been feeling really cold. And it's 75 degrees, which is not cold for me, at least. I'm a person who's hot a lot. But I've been cold all day.
Vlog, I'm at Pennington.
Oh my god, this is like really embarrassing for him. Okay. It's like a paragraph.
No. Asking to start over.
He's asking to start over. It's been a year. It's been a year. And I have to see him every day still.
All of this for a team that sucks. Yes. That's amazing.
Hello, I'm Neely. Welcome to HTV First. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic 80s movies. Directed by the legendary John Hughes, released in 19...
We're killing bugs. Yeah.
Well, Hunter's killing bugs. I'm against killing bugs. How you feeling?
Tired.
Hi. Hunter directed the first half of the game. He did really good.
Yeah, it was really good.
Stop killing bugs. Stop.
I know, it's hard.
Hi.
Attack.
Hi. Don't
Attack.
attack me. Stop licking me. Stop licking me.
Can you roll over?
You know, it's gonna be okay. It's going to be okay. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
this shit because I have to do this swim thing. And it's so stupid. It's a fundraiser, and you have to be there for 2.5 hours, and you're just swimming laps. Like, there's no reason we need to be there that long. It's like one of those swim-a-thon things, kind of like the Apex Fun Run, where you, like, pledge amount of laps, and then you do that many laps. Why so many, though? Why so many, though? That's the question we need to be asking. And why are we dragging it out? Hello? 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 You want me to pay you? Oh. You jealous? You jealous? Someone has no spatial awareness and just gets all over you, even though they're like really heavy. Car keys. Alright, I'm about to get in. 100 laps. Thank you, Vincent. Thanks for counting my laps.
You're welcome.
Great. He's great. How are you, Vincent?
Tired.
Of counting for me.
Still have to train the AI. No.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper that sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer. Night breezes seem to whisper that you. Dream a little dream. Now, darling.
Hey vlog, it's 5 p.m. I haven't taken any videos today, but I'm just doing homework, chilling, reflecting. Yeah. Hey vlog, I'm just got dropped off by Justin in his car in the morning, which he was very happy about them. And I'm going to swim. Vlog. On our way to the bus. Hey, yes. Cricket. Reaction. I crashed my car. Yes. Yes.
Wait, how did it happen?
Well, he is not very much of a good driver. He was last to Taylor Swift when it happened. And he
Actually, it was Katy Perry.
No,
Where'd you run into? Another car?
Yes.
You just took the class then?
How are you feeling?
tired.
How are you feeling?
I'm just confused. Like, I want to swim for you guys.
Oh, no, about swim practice.
Oh, swim practice.
I have this class called
It's okay.
Social
Okay.
Studies.
I'm
hungry.
I'm feeling great, and my head is not a mess at all. And I was like really paying attention a lot in swim practice today, and everyone was like, "Wow, Bryson, you're doing so good." getting their permit today. Gene, and guess who's gonna pick up their license soon? Kai. Everyone's just driving but me. 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 Josh, how are you? Do you shower?
Yes, I do.
Hey vlog, I forgot
Like always.
everything. My cleanser, my moisturizer, my toothbrush, my hair products, my everything I need. Guess who crashed his car? Guess who crashed his car?
Your brother.
No, bitch, me. Toe opening for his shoe. And he just flashed me with his toe, like, no, like, actually weird.
Bro, what are these allegations?
Who's gay now?
Me, obviously.
Yes. Wait, that's kind of genius. That's kind of genius.
No, it is not. You can download something better off of
No,
YouTube.
but like the point. It's like the point. It's like a spoof. It's giving spoof vibe.
For my superhero project, I'm just like doing this like a silly video. Somebody just finds like an orb on the ground, they get weird powers, they mess around a bit, and then they realize it's just not worth it, and then like the orb leaves them, it speaks to them, some like life lesson cliche, and the person's like, yeah, whatever, and then just throws it away.
Really good.
Yeah.
Me and Madison found out what we're going to do. What are we going to do, Madison?
We're gonna do a story about this guy with super speed trying to impress this girl, but like it fails miserably because she has a boyfriend with super strength instead.
Yeah, and she's like rude. Yeah.
She's like mean. She's like terrible driving control.
We're cooking. They're not terrible, don't say that. My day was pretty good, actually. Yeah.
It said was that it was likelihood that the vehicle would be total.
Yeah. So I just have to upload the time. I mean, but yet I still have to wait till, because if they say I just can take it a step at a time. What if they say it takes $10,000 to fix, but the vehicle is worth $7,000? I still think, or vice versa. It could. That's why I'm like, we'll just wait and see what they like really. The moon ball that he lost. Okay. Oh, okay.
I can't see. Throw it.
Wow. Looking good. For someone who's never seen screen. It's too young. And the blood. Ew, cool.
Look.
Ew, that's cool. Oh no, he's going to the debate.
What we need in this moment.
Good job.
This man's lying. He's bald. He's horrible. Why would you vote for him?
Wrong guy.
Yeah, this guy's bad. Don't vote for him.
Wait. Low-key Brad.
Look at that.
Today is dry land. We're running.
Do something cool.
I can't see.
Oh! Why are you saying hi to me? This isn't for me. Nick, don't.
This is me after running. Hey vlog. I think it's illegal to record in there. Never mind.
Bro, I look like shit. Go to you. Go to you. You actually look good.
Thank you, Gigi. Let's see the back of the shirt. A moment from the back of the shirt.
Period.
Cute or what?
I think it's cute.
It's from.
It's cool.
It's from Forget.
Dog.
Okay. Did you see that Iran bombed Israel?
Did they?
Yes, and apparently there's a whole scandal that America's involved with it.
Hey. The bus is so awesome.
What's that?
Natalie Nunn.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. Natalie Nunn. Fatty. Post for me. Ass fat, slim, thick, no tongue.
Let's go, babe.
Bye, thank you. Shine bright, you and I, tonight. Oh, my bitch pose is nasty.
Just leaning.
You don't have to move it.
Knitting needle to the elbow.
Dog, my car is officially totaled. How do you feel?
I don't care.
Mom, how do you feel?
I guess I'll take the check. I don't know.
Okay. Are you bored, tired, confused, scared, lonely, queasy, wish you had a car? Have any wishes you wish would come true? Try magic gum. What's this? Magic gum?
Ever since I tried magic gum, all my anxiety has been relieved.
I used to need crutches to walk, but now that I tried Magic Gum, my leg is healing.
My cat hated me, but now I tried Magic Gum. We've had brunch together every Sunday.
I wish for my ex to disappear, but I'm constantly being haunted by him.
Ever since I tried Magic Gum, all my homework completed itself.
Thank you, Magic Gum.
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 Magic gum. Chew the magic.